People sometimes forget this. Even the simplest action can turn an animal into a true hero. That's why we're here. We're ready to introduce you to the stories of 35 incredible animals that saved human lives. Is your furry friend by your side right now? Come on, let's explore these amazing moments together. Suddenly, this German Shepherd breed wakes up and starts barking non-stop at its owner. Although its owner gets angry at first, the dog does not give up and literally pulls it. Thanks to its patience and extraordinary flexibility, it is saved from a danger that its owner is not harmed. What could it be? A driver notices something strange while driving on the road. A cat is trying to pull a crawling baby to the side of the road. This little hero does his best to protect the baby from danger. Who would have thought that a cat could be such a savior? An elephant thinks his human friend is in danger in the middle of a fast-flowing river. Without hesitation, he jumps into the water and rushes to save his friend from a different species. This is proof of true loyalty. A coyote approaches a house looking for food, but this black and white cat does not let the intruder pass and protects the house. Small body, big courage. A woman is unaware that a huge bear has entered her kitchen. At that moment, her two dogs step in, barking and chasing the bear away from the house. Sometimes loyalty can silently save lives. A homeowner hears a sudden scream. He immediately goes on alert and takes the dog into protection. The interesting thing is that this house is not the dog's house, but a stranger's. Yet this hero knows his duty. A farmer marks the ears of his calves when a mother cow approaches him in a threatening manner. However, the farmer's horse takes control of the situation and protects its owner. The horse acts like a guard. A child drops his boat into an elephant cage. While everyone watches in amazement, this clever elephant picks up the boat with his trunk and gives it back to the child. Sometimes the greatest heroism is hidden in the smallest moments. A mother hen stands tall to protect her chicks from a hungry predator. This small but brave mother shows how she becomes a hero in the face of danger.